If you've ever wanted to access your OneDrive files on your PC without having them all automatically download and take up space on your local drive, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to browse, manage, and use your OneDrive cloud files from your computer without syncing everything and filling up your storage. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through each step, making sure you understand both the how and the why behind this process. First things first, to stop OneDrive from syncing files to your PC, you'll need to unlink your account from the OneDrive app. Unlinking basically severs the automatic connection that copies files between your PC and your cloud storage. To do this, locate the OneDrive cloud icon down in your system tray, right-click it and go into the settings. Inside, you'll find the option to unlink this PC. Clicking this stops all new syncing, so your files stay safely in the cloud and aren't automatically downloaded or updated on your computer anymore. Now, some folks worry that unlinking will delete their files. Rest assured, your data remains safe online. All you're doing is telling your PC to stop creating those local copies. Now, before moving on, it's important to tidy up any existing automatic backups that might be running, especially for common folders like desktop, documents, and pictures. These can sometimes keep syncing in the background even after unlinking. In the OneDrive settings, go to the Sync and Backup section, then click on Manage Backup. Here, double-check which folders are being automatically mapped to OneDrive. Turn off backup for any folders you want to keep exclusively on your PC or to stop them from integrating with the cloud. This gives you much more control over what stays local versus what's kept in OneDrive. Think of this like making sure you're only sharing what you intend to, nothing more. With syncing disabled, how do you actually get to your OneDrive files now? One simple approach is to use the OneDrive website. Just fire up your browser, go to OneDrive Live.com and log in. From here you can upload files, preview documents, or download just what you need when you need it. This method is very straightforward and keeps your local storage totally untouched until you decide to grab a file. It's perfect if you're working mostly from the cloud or bouncing between different computers. But what if you like seeing your OneDrive files in File Explorer without actually storing them on your drive? That's where a nifty feature called Files on Demand comes in. With Files on Demand, you can set files or folders to be online only. They'll appear in File Explorer like any other folder, but they're really just shortcuts. The content isn't actually downloaded until you open a file. To set this up, right-click on the OneDrive folders or files you want to keep online only and choose Free Up Space. You'll still see everything listed and can pull down any file you need in a pinch, but nothing eats up your local disk until you access it. Imagine it like having the keys to a warehouse full of stuff, but only bringing home the items you want, leaving the rest safely stored off-site. Finally, remember that if you've fully unlinked OneDrive on your PC, your files won't show in File Explorer anymore, except for whatever you've specifically left as online only. This is key for keeping your workspace tidy and making sure there are no surprises when you're searching through your folders. And that's it. With these steps, you can cleanly break the tie between your PC and OneDrive sync, manage your backups, and choose between using the web or files on demand for file access, all without cluttering your computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button, leave any questions you might have down in the comments, and consider subscribing for more tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.